In the heart of Basilan, where stories of resilience echo through generations, a new chapter unfolds, one of peace, progress, and promise. For decades, communities here have faced the shadows of conflict. But through the Aspire project, a transformative journey began, turning weapons into tools of hope.
Kung dati po yung Haji Muhammad Adjo, lalo na sa mga barangay na magulo, may conflict. Dati kasi mahirap kausapin. Ngayon po, yung unti-unti na nalaman natin ano yung sanhi ng mga kaguluhan nila. Yung pala, kadalasan hanap buhay. Kabuhayan nila yung naging problema.
Funded by the government of Japan and implemented by UNDP, Aspire brought tangible change. In Haji Muhammad Ajul, fisherfolk and farmers received solar power ice block machines, a mini delivery van, and a tractor.
Pumapalaw sila, mas maganda kung may dala-dala silang ice. Pagkahuli nila doon, diretso sa ice yung isda nila, so fresh. Hindi tulad ng dati kapag yung palagi ring blackout dito, hindi sila nakakabili kaagad sa sa mga lokal na nagtitinda ng ice. So kapag ganun talaga, may times na blackout, malakas yung demand dito sila kumukuha ng ice para ma-preserve yung mga isda nila.
In Sumisip, farmers were empowered with a wheel loader and tractors. Over 1,000 free-range chickens and farm inputs were distributed.
Napakalaking bagay po yung dumating si Aspire sa aming community, especially sa livelihood, syempre yung basic needs nila, yung daily nila na pangkabuhayan. Napakalaking bagay talaga. So maraming salamat talaga, lalo na syempre sa Japan sa pagpondo ng project na to.
With every project like Aspire, we are rewriting our story. A story where peace is the foundation and development is the path forward. These tools are more than equipment. They are investments in our future. Over 1,323 firearms were turned in and registered in Basilan. Through Aspire's Small Arms and Light Weapons, or SAL-W program, communities are choosing peace, embracing new livelihoods, and building a future free from violence.
Yung takbo ng economic activities nila as a group or as a family or as a member ng community is nararamdaman na nila. Kasi hindi na gera-gera, iisipin nila, nakita nila na maganda na yung buhay nila, wala nang gulo. Talagang malaking impact doon sa security situation dito. At sa trabaho namin, nabawasan talaga yung concerns.
Pangalagaan at ipagpapatuloy namin, papanatilihin namin na magagamit ng matagal at saka ipapasok sa development plan ng aming barangay at saka ang LGU willing naman po yan para tuloy-tuloy po.
Aspire is more than a project. It's a movement toward peace, dignity, and sustainable development in the Bangsamoro. Together, we sow the seeds of a better tomorrow.